What a wonderful day!
What is this?
Dump truck.
Huh?
What happened?
Oh no! The flowers have all withered!
No.
Dump truck, think of a way to help!
Open. Transformation! Let's go! Nice!
Dump truck brings a load of parts.
Are you ready? Open.
Let's build a fire truck together.
Nice!
First, we attach the front.
Hello.
Huh?
Hi, guys. Woohoo! It's my time. It's amazing. Nice. I like it.
Then we build the body.
What's next? Wow!
Next come the water hose and the sprayer.
Bravo! It's amazing. I like it. Yeah!
Finally, the wheels and the base.
Very nice. Cool. Come here. Okay. What is this? I got it. Nice.
Fire truck.
Woohoo!
The fire truck is ready. Let's fill it with water and water the flowers.
Nice. It's my time. Open. Wow!
Awesome! The flowers are alive again. Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.